Hey everyone, this is Georgie back with GSD Solutions. And in this video, what I want to go over with you all is how to see your LinkedIn live event analytics, right? So you had a great LinkedIn live. Here's an example of a past LinkedIn live that I've done. It was a great session, wonderful conversation. And the cool thing about this specific LinkedIn live is that it was completely pre-recorded. So that's one of the benefits of doing LinkedIn live. Using a third-party solution such as StreamYard, Restream, and there's like tons of other ones, is that you could pre-record something and then have it play. So that's the first quick comment. But what this video truly focuses on is how to see your analytics. How did your event do? How did your session do? Who joined? So if we scroll down, right, usually when you go to the event page after the event, you will usually land on like details or comments or one of those pages. But what you want to do is scroll until you see the share, and then you're going to go over to analytics. Then you're going to scroll down and it will show you analytics, how many total attendees, the metrics, if you had any, details about the event. And then this is where it gets cool, where you can see the live viewers, the minutes for the lifetime. So you could see when and what date, because oftentimes what happens is that many people may not join the live. So in this case, many people did join the live, but then after that, people were still watching it. So you could see that traction. So when I scroll down, you could also see what engagement happened during the videos, what the reactions were like, and this is my favorite part, the demographics of the individuals that watched your video. This is so key to making smarter and better business decisions, because you can see, okay, CEOs are interested in this, founders, website managers, as well as the location. If you're based in California and you see a significant amount of people from New York consistently watching your live, well, then you can make a smart decision to maybe put more ad dollars into New York, or more communications, or more information of whatever content that you're putting out to target that audience, because they're the one engaging and watching. If I had more people, it would give me even more details down here: seniority, companies, location, all that jazz. Here's another example of another session that I did. This was also pre-recorded, same deal. And I could see, live viewers, and over the lifetime, did people go back and watch it? What was the status of it? And you can see here that the industries are slightly different. Locations slightly different as well. So New York is still the highest, but we see Miami coming in, Atlanta and San Francisco, versus my previous video that we had some Las Vegas and Canada, right? And let's see this one more sample here. When we scroll down in analytics, let's see where folks are joining from. We got some more Toronto and Miami. So this is kind of a mixture of both of those past events, but we got some different emojis going on. But the value of this, right? The value of this is what I want to focus on, because it is so valuable to get that feedback, that data from the people that are watching and participating and liking and engaging. And how do you do that? So I'm going to show you all one final cool thing that I like to do with this analytics to help my team better use it. Is I like to screenshot it. And I'm not talking about screenshotting the page piece by piece. I use this pretty cool tool that's called Go Full Page, and I'm gonna include the information in the description below. But I love, love, love it. Actually, let me just open it up in a new tab. Here we go. So you guys can see a little bit of details around it. So what it is a Chrome plugin. They have a free as well as a paid version of it, but it literally just takes a full page screenshot. So I don't know if you ever had to let's say you're doing a website and you're trying to do a comparison, or you're trying to get a mock-up, or I actually started using it for my own websites or client websites when I wanted to get mock-ups of the whole entire page instead of screenshotting section by section and trying to put it back together. So raise your hand if you've ever tried to do that. So Go Full Page allows you to screenshot the entire page. So I'm going to go ahead and here, click my plugin, and it's capturing the entire page. Pretty cool. And when it's done, since I'm recording, it had me in the corner, but in a regular situation, it would not have me in the corner, and you can see the full page of information, and you can zoom in. It literally has that exact page and all the details that were there. You could download it as a PDF, an image, or however you so choose to interact with it. But Goal Full Page is one of my favorite Chrome plugins, and this has been a tutorial on how you can download as well as see your LinkedIn analytics. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more amazing content coming out for you all very, very soon. And if you need any technical support with integrating technology into your business, your company, your startup, contact us today. Head on over to gsdsolutionsinc.com and then hit the Let's Talk button. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.